Okay, so this is like some of the stuff I started growing towards the middle of April. Okra, beans, and stuff like that. I was so happy when these beans started sprouting. And I learned a lot just from starting the garden. I used to garden with my grandmother when I was very, very, very young, but you know, sometimes we don't really pick up on the lessons and things like that. So, as of late, um, I really, really, really started really trying to remember the things and having dreams and stuff like that about the stuff she taught me. And I just think it's time to start back gardening. Whether you have a lot of space, little space, just go out and grow what you can and stop complaining about what the system is doing to us. All right, so I'm trying this coconut coir, and this block is like 25 bucks, but it makes a lot. As you can see here, it holds and retains moisture. So trying this, and I got my planter stand to make it a little easier. All right, so this is gonna make it easier. And then the food grade buckets, and I'm doing this because in the front I have some beans and stuff growing, carrots, okra, and melons. So I'm gonna go and probably dig up some more today further back out on the property. I need to burn this, but anyway, I got some tomatoes that I got in these 5-pound deals, and I got some seedlings that I actually have. I need to do some weeding, but these are sugar peas. You got the drill? Okay. That is Hezekyhwh. I'm big Hezekyhwh. That's young Hezekyhwh, and he has the drill. You got the drill? All right, so gotta finish the rest of this off. And I was doing these, but I got a mole. The dog got him though, so we good. But yeah, I got a lot of more space. I'm gonna go back all the way and just start planting. All right, you got the drill? You doing that drill? You know what you're doing? Yeah. All right. So like I said, food grade. I'm gonna do some potatoes. I got a lot of cucumbers. I got a lot of watermelon seedlings I've done already. More watermelon plants, and I'm gonna add some more garden soil to this. But this is the coconut coir block. And I got some more buckets, so I should have 12 buckets total. And I built this stand, so this is gonna hold up pretty good. It's sturdy. I'm gonna pull it over here into the actual sun, because right here it gets about 6 hours of sun each day. A lot of trees. I got this pine tree, but also I'm doing potatoes, and I'm going to use this pine straw, as the topper for my potatoes. So, yep. Well, let's get started. You ready? You got the drill?
Yes.
All right. I want you to drill some holes in the bottom of each of these buckets. Okay.
Like in the middle center.
Just do it around the center. Give me like 6, but evenly spaced, okay? And 1 in the center, so make it 7 all together.
It looks like it's the wrong one.
Okay. Make sure it's right. There you go. Put some pressure on it. There you go, son. There you go. Come on. You almost got it. Now reverse it. There you go. All right. Now give me 2 more, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the last one?
Hold on, let me show you. You gotta put pressure on it. Let me show you. Look.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Grown man strength. See that? And then back it up. There you go. I'm gonna do one more over here. You know why I'm putting these on here?
So.
Huh? These are to drain. So when we have them sitting here in the planter and it rains, you don't want the water to be stagnant at the bottom of the bucket. That way they won't overwater, kill the seeds, anything like that, or the plants won't overwater. It'll drain out of the hose. and stuff growing. Just planted these a couple of days ago, already trying to come through. That's watermelon. So, all right, so you can get these blocks here and see how they interlock. And what you can do is you can throw another block on top. They're only like $4 at Home Depot. So I'm putting one here in front of this plant stand, and then I'm gonna put one out here in front of these other planters I made. So like I said, if you want to, you can complain about issues and Monsanto seeds, or you can just take certain preventive measures into your own account, right? And take care of yourself. Okay, take care of yourself. So I'll dig this up with my tiller, both of them. I got some dried bamboo shoots my neighbor actually gave me, so I'll make some TP type deals and make some trellis out of those. Yep. Got the blue jay. Yep, gonna make it a little paradise. Stay tuned. Oh, more seedlings growing. More melons, jalapenos, yep, cantaloupes, cayenne peppers. Yep. All right, so got a 8-foot by 4-foot raised bed here next to the planter. I get the rest of this grass and stuff up, but I'm gonna add some blood meal. Okay, some blood meal to it, and you see a bigger difference when you use blood meal. I learned a lot of this stuff from my grandmother when I was younger. It's amazing how I got a pretty good memory, because while I was always listening to her, I kind of forgot certain things, but then I've been having dreams as of late, and stuff been coming back to me. And there's so many things falling into place for me to be able to do this, dealing with work and extracurricular activities and the youth and the stuff I work with on a daily basis. So I just know this is the way to go. It's just like working out. It was just time to work out. I just started working out. So it's the same thing, same principle here. All right. Like it's gonna about to rain too. Just a little bit, but I'm gonna pre-soak this, and I think I might throw in some of this organic bed soil. So I'll let you guys know. Finished product. Okay, carrots, sweet potatoes. So you can see now the sweet potatoes are coming up slips. So soon I better take each one of those and grow and make a sweet potato itself. Got some more cucumbers here. This one here, an okra. This one is like it got waterlogged, but it's okay because it's holding on still. Yep. More okra. Okra. So this one's coming along pretty good. Then you look at these beans. Early in the video, you can see that these are the smaller ones, and you can see the beans now starting to sprout. So they really started to take off all the way. Yep. I got some more seedling, some more cantaloupes, and some more peas seedlings that I'm doing. So strawberry patch didn't come in, but hey, it is what it is. Let me head to the back. All right. It is watery. You can hear it. Good Lord. Nothing but water. Ran into a snake back here on the side of the house the other day. Just a garter snake though, so. But always got to be careful. It could be a water mock, it could be anything, right? Water moccasin, cottonmouth. And I got some more organic and more compost manure. But let's head out to this section of the garden. Let me walk on the concrete because my feet getting wet. All right, here we go. All right, so these are melons, watermelons. They're coming along real good from seedlings, and I got the ones in the front. I got some more tomato plants here. Boom, boom, boom. Cucumbers. I'm gonna take these out of these pots probably and just go ahead and take some of these flowers off. That'll help them actually push through, pollinate. This is another from seedling tomato plant I had. It's growing real good too. Coming all the way off, hanging down. So I can probably go inside those pieces and get some of the slips and make some extra ones. Then the bigger one I had, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3. Then there's on the inside another one there. You can see it, yep, on the inside another one there. Oh, boom. 2 more coming in here. Oh, at the top. 2 more coming in there. Boom. So they're doing good. They're healthy. They're vibrant. I need to take them out of this pot. They're overgrown. I like the indeterminate too because I like the way they grow. Oh, 2 more here. So this one here. There's another one there. Or was it the 2 I initially showed? Maybe. I don't know. So I'm gonna get those. Like I said, more cucumbers here. And see that root system? I'm probably gonna take those and redo them. What did I have here? Because I put something here. Okay, gotta grab another bucket. All right. And then of course, this is squash. Squash is coming along. Radish is kind of overload. It'll get back up once it's not as it's wet out here. And then of course that's garlic inside. Some extra garlic. I made a mistake with these, but we live and we learn. These are lima beans. The lima beans coming along real good. I can probably put another trellis in here. I'm probably gonna have to uproot all of these. It's like 6 tomato plants here. And I'm probably have to redo them somewhere else. And these are indeterminate, so I mean they're gonna grow real fast. I got some more corn I'm cooking, but then I got this as well, corn in a pot. And I got some more peas here, sugar peas. This is a part of the tomato plant that I pulled off that other plant I just showed you guys. I'm just gonna let it sit in this rainwater and see what it does. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, potatoes, jalapenos, more garlic, right? Basil and mint. I need to get that mint moved to the shade. Then of course okra growing real good. Peppers growing real good. A couple peppers coming on here. Already got a couple peppers there. Peppers on the other side over there. Just gotta get this okra pushing. And here's my other tomato plant down here, indeterminate as well. As you can see, it's pretty big. 3 big ones here. Boom, yep, they're coming through nice. Then I got 2 at the bottom down here. It's coming through nice. Oh, and I got 2 more smaller ones coming in right here and here. Boom and boom. But it is extremely wet out here. My feet getting wet. Yeah. Yep, green. So it's coming along pretty good. I might transplant those out of the buckets as well. Let me go up to the other section I made. Yep, still hadn't burnt it. Gotta burn this stuff. All right. And rainwater is what does the trick. All right, so I got some more peppers here growing. Yep, serrano peppers here growing. couple here and here. Look at that. They're growing nicely. Oh, I didn't even see that guy there. He's growing over here. I probably could trim. What is this? Oh, just from it. I can top this off. I can trim this down and then make it focus more on the fruit. Like I did this one here. Potatoes, onions. Oh, they're coming up. They're ripening pretty good. Yep. More potatoes. Some peas. A couple of them died, but then this one here's starting to take off a little bit. You can kind of see it here. But these peas are growing pretty good. Some more melons. These are melons. Watermelon on this trellis, watermelon, and more peppers. Peppers are growing pretty good. Yep, they're growing pretty good. At least every tree is producing fruit, and there's some more coming in. You can see it there. But everything is producing fruit, so that's good. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. This is my first year gardening. First year gardening. Is that a worm? Yeah, it's a worm. Dead worm. Okay. More melons. So I'll do that, transpose those as well. I think I'm gonna do one more raised garden like this here. And all you do is buy the blocks. You get the blocks. Boom. And drop the tube up under the wood in between. Then I took another one and made another piece in the center to raise it up a little higher than those, so then the water would drain off and get to the peppers as well when I water the center for these watermelons. But you don't want to overwater them, even though it's watermelon. Catch more rainwater. Catch more rainwater. I don't know exactly what this is. I found a bulb and I just started growing. It's growing though, so I treat it right. Got some more buckets, more food grade buckets. Get this stuff. Oh, and I got some garlic sitting in this pot, some more garlic. And I got some more jalapeno cayenne pepper and some more melons that I'm growing from seedlings. And then in June, we got the June plants we're gonna be doing, so I do that as well. So it's coming along. It's coming along pretty good. So peace, shalom. Shema Yisrael, YHWH.